Mr. President, certain NGOs in their statements accuse China of its human rights situation. The Chinese government exercises its right of reply and expresses objection. China is a country of rule of law. Chinese judicial body acts in a strict accordance with law, and counterterrorism has never been linked with certain religion or ethnic groups. In Xinjiang, all the ethnic minorities, including Uyghurs, are fully protected in terms of their economic, social, and educational rights. The Chinese government fights terrorist forces according to law. The purpose is to protect to the maximum possible the life and property and common interest of all ethnic minorities, including the Uyghurs, and to protect the harmony and stability in Xinjiang and the adjacent areas, and protect the smooth proceeding of the modernization and the unity of the country. According to China's constitution, citizens can have the freedom to believe or not to believe in religion. Minors are citizens, and they also enjoy the same freedom. In China, the policy is the one that separates religion and education. No one shall force minors to believe in religion. The Chinese public security organ carried out the management, the issuance of passports according to relevant laws, and to check any forged documents for entry and exit in order to provide effective services and to guarantee the normal exit and entry of our people. Thank you, Mr. President.